What up, everybody? It's KolorPop Designz, and I'm here with another video. Spice Drawer Organization, and you heard it, organization. Your girl's here to help you get your life, okay? So look, we got these seasonings in the top cabinet above my microwave, and I'm 5'3", so I'm really short. I have to get a step ladder to get up there and get my seasonings. Who the hell has time for that? I mean, like, why? Why not have something easy and accessible at arm's reach? So I'm going to be doing a spice drawer where I can be able to put all of my seasonings in the drawer. So just stay tuned, see how I do it. You might like it, might want to try it. You never know. Let's go. Now, one of the things that you're going to need if you want to have a spice drawer is you want to get some liner. I picked this up. This is what I've been using in all of my drawers for all of my organization I'm doing in my kitchen, so everything is cohesive. But here I have all my cooking utensils. I kind of tested it out to see like how it will look. And this right here in itself, this is another video, so don't even worry about all this. It just looks too much, ain't nothing organized, all kind of stuff. But we're going to clear this out and lay down. Well, the liner's already in there, duh. But we're going to clear this out, and I'll show you how everything looks with all the cooking utensils taken out. Now, when you have a lot of spices or seasonings, you want to set up an assembly line, like how I did. So, basically, each seasoning has a spice jar that's labeled. I purchased these spice jars off of Amazon, and I made my own labels. So, if that's something that you want to do, you can always customize your own look. These spice jars did come with sticker labels that you can stick on there, but I had a certain look that I was going for. So I'm going to use a funnel to put my seasonings in, or put it in so it can go into the jar without no mess. That way all of your seasonings are in a nice sleek, it has a nice sleek look, and you can also see when you're running low. See, sometimes when you get these store-bought containers, you don't know if it's running low or not. You be like, ah, damn, shit, I'm out of pepper. You know, I'm out of this, I'm out of that, and you won't know until you pick it up. But when you have these clear jars, you'll be able to see right away. So make sure you guys stay tuned towards the end on how I style it in the jar and what I use to put them in there. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I'm also on all social media outlets at KolorPop Designz, so make sure you follow me. Don't be a stranger. And yeah, let's see how it looks. So now the fun part, we get to arrange these bad boys in the drawer. So I'm going to be using this expandable in-drawer spice rack, and I got this also from Amazon. They do sell it at the Container Store, but it's a lot cheaper to get it at Amazon. So what I'm going to do is, we got our lined drawer. I'm just going to go ahead and add these racks. I don't even know what to call them. Spice racks in the drawer, and I'm going to basically expand it to however wide I want my spices to go out. I want it to fill up the whole drawer, so I'll just go ahead and lay those all in there nice and neat. And one of the things you want to do before you put those spice jars in there, you want to make sure you just give them a good wipe down, just in case like some kind of excess seasoning may have gotten on there, because you don't want your spice racks to have a lot of, you know, seasoning particles or whatever all on your spice jar. That defeats the purpose of even doing this. You know, you're trying to go from having them all up at the top or wherever you have them at. So that's just a tip. The next thing I'm doing, I am trying to arrange my spices based on name. So alphabetical. I'm putting them in alphabetical order. And sorry I'm all in the way. Eventually I'll move to the other side. But yeah, pretty much this self-explanatory. I'm just kind of arranging them in alphabetical order So if I know exactly what I want, I can grab what I need. And if I see that it's running low, I can go ahead and go grab some more and just fill it up. Use your funnel. And it's just like that. Easy peasy. Yes, honey, she did that. Look how good that looks. Everything looks pretty and colorful. So if you like this video, again, thumbs up, and I will see you at the next one. See ya.